Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jave and I share informative videos on how to make money online without any investment. Today I will be sharing with you a brand new website that can help you mine this much money online without making any investments. If you are interested, just buckle up and let's head right straight to the video. And before I forget, if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you end up liking the content, just hit the red subscribe button and like the video, for it encourages me make more videos. Today, the website which I will be talking about allows you to mine as much as 10 cryptocurrencies on autopilot without you having to make any investment. Remember that this site will not make you rich overnight, and to obtain maximum result, you will have to be a little patient. With all that being said, I would be sharing some few bonus tips on how you can mine even more, so stay and watch till the end. This site is beginner friendly and is available worldwide, which means you can try it anywhere you find yourself. The name of the website is aravis.cc. Don't worry, I'll put link in description below. This website helps to mine 10 currencies for absolutely free. As you can see, they have fast payouts so that you can withdraw your earnings as soon as you reach the minimum withdrawal limit. They also provide a stable income with great service. Scroll down and you will see the various currencies you can mine: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Ripple, Doge, Bitcoin Cash, USDT, and so on. Without any delays, scroll up and sign up for a completely free account. After hitting the sign up button, just follow the prompt, entering your username, password, and so on, then check the CAPTCHA and click on register. After creating the account, verify it and then log into your new account. After logging in, it should look like these. Oops, sorry, when you create a new account, you are given a $5 bonus of mining power. Well, with that you can start your mining, but I will be showing you how to earn even more in just a few. Scroll down and you can see I'm mining Tron at the moment with 85% mining power. Wait a minute, with this bar right here, you can choose what of power you want to mine a currency with. So, scrolling through and playing around, you can mine all currencies at a go. On autopilot, without any investments, I started mining Tron and Dash at absolutely zero cost, and it took me less than 5 minutes to set up the account. Now let's try to withdraw our earnings, but please bear with me. When you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, I'll advise you withdraw because most of these sites have expiration dates. Hit the cash out button, select currency, enter amount to withdraw. For the video, let's just enter 10 Tron and enter wallet address, and after that, hit the withdraw button. Oops, the minimum withdrawal limit is 150 Tron, and we just had about 3 point something Tron, so we'll just have to wait for a while. The site also offers a cool referral system, a 2-level system. You can invite your friends to earn with you, and in returns you all benefit. That can also boost up your earnings. Talking about boosting your earnings, you can also buy mining power, of which I'd advise to take that risk yourself. I'm not a financial advisor, but just a random guy that tries out sites and then share. Mining cryptocurrency has now become much easier that you can even mine on your mobile phone, of which some of these sites tend to be legit while some also scam. So be sure to do your research well before making any investments. So this is all I have for you today, and if you end up getting value of the video, please consider subscribing with notification bell on so you get notified anytime I upload new and fresh strategies for making money online. If you don't understand anything here, just let me know in the comments section below. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!